Consider the physical reality of these liquids: the sharp, acidic bite of sour lemon juice, the slippery, caustic feel of soap foam, and the neutral clarity of pure water. While they appear to be entirely unrelated substances, they are actually bound together by a shared chemical property that dictates exactly how they interact with our world. This metric identifies the threshold between a harmless drink and a corrosive liquid that can dissolve tissue, acting as the primary indicator for what is safe to consume and what is dangerous to touch. This universal measure of balance is known as pH, the scale used to determine the acidity or alkalinity of every liquid on Earth. Without a way to quantify this value, we would have no way to perceive the chemical dangers or benefits of the substances we rely on for survival. This timeline is the pH scale, a spectrum ranging from 0 to 14. At exactly 7, a substance like pure water is neutral. Values below 7 are acidic, like lemon juice. Values above 7 are alkaline, or basic, like common soaps. This scale organizes the chaotic properties of matter into a predictable mathematical range, allowing us to map the chemical makeup of any liquid. Knowing the scale exists is one thing, but because we cannot see these chemical properties with the naked eye, how do we actually find a substance's location on that 0 to 14 map? We use a physical key called pH paper, specially treated strips designed to reveal what is otherwise invisible. When the paper touches a solution, it triggers an immediate reaction that changes its color based on the acidity of the liquid. By comparing that strip to a standardized guide, we match the color to a specific number, identifying the approximate pH of the solution in seconds. This process turns complex chemical data into a universal language of color that anyone can read. This method is a foundational practice in research and education, allowing scientists to monitor chemical reactions with high precision. But the need for this measurement scales far beyond the laboratory into massive industrial operations where pH dictates the efficiency of chemical manufacturing. In agriculture, farmers must test soil pH to ensure it is at the correct level to release vital nutrients to crops, as even a small imbalance can cause entire harvests to fail. It is also a requirement for city infrastructure, where water quality is continuously monitored to ensure the drinking supply remains safe for public use. Measuring these values is the primary mechanism we use to maintain quality control over our food, our medicine, and our environment. This balance is incredibly delicate. In the ocean, a small shift in pH can alter the carbonate chemistry that shellfish need to build their shells, potentially leading to a collapse of the entire marine food web. A simple strip of paper is more than a classroom tool. It is a vital instrument for defending the biological and industrial systems we depend on. The world is defined by this hidden chemistry. Tell us in the comments, based on what you've learned, do you think your favorite drink sits above or below the neutral mark of 7?